Okay, now we are looking at word problems leading to G.C.F and L.C.M. We have already seen how to find the G.C.F and L.C.M of a number, and now let us look at a scenario where we apply these in everyday life. Some word problem will take us to that. How can we see the reality of G.C.F and L.C.M in our daily life? For example, here now, Al has two pieces of rope. One piece is 72 centimeter long and the other is 90 centimeter long. He wants to cut both pieces into strips of equal length that are as long, now these are key words, as long as possible, but are as long as what? As possible, long as possible. Okay, how long should he cut the strips to get as long as possible piece of rope? Okay, now if you look at this problem, Al has two pieces of rope. Okay, one piece is 72 centimeter long and the other is 90 centimeter long. He wants to cut both pieces. So he cut. He is, in other words, he divides into smaller pieces. He divides into smaller pieces, which means those pieces are factors. Okay, so this thing here, the understanding is he divides. Cutting is to divide into smaller pieces, and these pieces are, we call them factors. So pieces, and we have divide. Okay, divide goes by cutting, and pieces, these are factors. Okay, these are factors. So it means we are finding the GCF. Okay, aim here is to find GCF, find GCF of these two numbers here. So if we are looking for GCF of these two numbers, and we do the same, we just go the same way we went by prime factorization, by listing, right? But I find myself that prime factorization favors, so we will use prime factorization. So GCF by prime factorization. Okay, yeah, so you see here I have prepared GCF by prime factorization, and this is what we get. 72, 90 by 2 is 36, 45. So 2 was able to go through 72 and 90. By 2 again is 18, but it cannot go by 45, so we don't pick it because it wasn't able to go to divide 45. Same to here, by 2 it is 9 and 45, so it was possible here in 18 but not in 45. We cannot go by 2 again, so we go by 3. By 3 is 3 and by 3 is 15, so it was able to go through 9 and 45. By 3 again is 1 and 5, it was also able. And by 5, which is the last one, which they did not go for 1 because we had already finished for the 3 here. So we pick what went, all factors that went through all numbers. These are 2 and 3 and another 3. So it is 2 times 3 times 3, we have 18. This is 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. So we have the longest strip is equal to 18 centimeter. Now you see that we have solved the daily application. This is how we can apply GCF in our daily life, or to solve questions which are related to GCF. All right. So application is there, and we really have to study this thing. Let us move for the second one. You say Ben exercises every 12 days and Diana every 80 days. Ben and Diana both exercised today. How many days will it be until they exercise together again. Now you see here, we are looking for the event, when the event will reoccur, when the event will happen again. So this takes us to the lowest common multiple, because it wants us to find how many days will it be until they exercise together. When are they going to exercise again? The time, we are looking for that. So this is what? This is a lowest. We are looking for lowest common multiple. Here we look at that day or the time which they are going to exercise together again. So we see that this problem is uh, is falling in LCM, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. That time which they are going to exercise again, how sooner they are going to exercise again, and together. This is a common thing we are looking for. So here we are going to find we look for LCM. We are looking for LCM, lowest common multiple. All right, we're looking for the lowest common multiple. I say why? Because we are going to look at the soonest time, when the event of exercise will repeat. Event of exercise will repeat. So this is soonest here. It means we are looking for the lowest, and this thing to repeat, we are looking. That is the lowest multiple, and we are looking for the event to repeat. This comes to be common, all right? So that is it. We are looking for these points takes us to LCM. Now let us go for the LCM here. Okay, so we are finding LCM by prime factorization, and here you see we said when we are looking for LCM we pick everything. So we pick everything here, every factor we multiply. So that's why we are multiplying all these factors, because we are looking for LCM. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3, and the same equal to 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. So they are going to do this exercise together again in 24 days. This is the soonest they are going to sit again for this for exercises. Ben and Diana, everyone will continue sitting for his and her examinations according to his time. But in 24 days, John will be sitting for examination and Diana will be sitting for the examination at the same time. So this is a very interesting concerning the LCM. We are looking for the lowest common multiple of events here. The list, how long will it take for these two students to sit again, whether they are in the same school in different classes or they are in different schools, but provided we were given these times, they can again sit at the same time after 24 days. All right, thank you so much for listening, and please go through once again. Go through, try to understand what is aimed for you to understand. And I've been giving you my contact in most of the tutorials, and please use those contacts. If you have anything to share with me, use those contacts. If you don't, I don't see a place here where I can give you, but you can email me, you can phone direct, you can email. That is very important. Okay, I give you my number 0754 743 982. This is, you can email, you can just text me, you can phone, or you can as well use my email address. My email address is wilbardm@gmail.com. gmail.com. Please feel free, let us share. This is education, right? We want to share ideas to make sure that we make things good. I like sharing. So please let us share. Thank you for